Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to find friends on Spotify. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Spotify on your device. There are two ways to find friends on Spotify. For the first method, you need to know your friend's username on Spotify. If you have their username, tap Search and enter the username on the search bar. Once the results are shown, scroll all the way down, and in the Profile section, you can find your friend's profile. The second method is a lot simpler. On your Spotify homepage, tap the icon at the top right corner. Here, tap Connect with Facebook and follow the instructions. Once you are connected to your Facebook account, all your friends that use Spotify will be listed in the Friend Activity section. So that's how you find friends on Spotify. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.